Today's morning breakfast would be here. We are at Gulaba, and earlier we were going to Patalsu, but Patalsu is there, so it doesn't have any snow. So we changed our trek to Brigu. So now we are heading to Brigu. Started the journey, and it's 10:15. Altitude is 2680, and day is Saturday. So let's see how it goes. Sitidhar there, Hanuman Tibba. This is the way we'll be heading. This will be our campsite for tonight. We'll leave our stuff here and go to Brigu. It will take around 3 hours from here. We are about to leave, and the time is 12:43, and altitude is 3100. And this is the current view. Beautiful mountains. Clouds are building up slowly. Let's see how long does it take to reach to Brigu from here. It's 1 o'clock. You continue this ridge, and there is a top of this ridge. Then you need to go to that ridge. फिर वहाँ से approximately 3-4 kilometers है. So let's hope we reach in time. What more you can ask? It's nice. We have reached the Maggie Point. This is the one of the ridge. This is that point. Thutaram Dhaba. Some other guys, ये भी टेंट लगा के बैठे. Now the way is like this. ऊपर जाओ और यहाँ से पीछे. Then another 2 kilometers back. So it's quite far from here. Weather is good. Altitude लिखा. Guide discussing the route to Hanuman Tibba. Time is 2:25. We have climbed a lot, I think. Nice view. We have hit the snow ridge, and time is 2:42. This is the last point where you can get water. There is a big ridge we need to climb, so we need to do a little bit of haste. There are a lot of clouds. Let's hope they clear by evening. This is the point known as Rora Kholi. It's just like a big open space surrounded by big mountains. From this point, you need to climb up to that ridge. Time is 3:04. Altitude is 3670. Look at the beauty of this place. Flowing water. Nice place to camp. Snow is very soft and it's getting knee deep in every step, making our way slowly. It's around 3:30 p.m. and we need to go a lot. So let's see how far we can do till 5 p.m. because we'll turn back around 5.
Hello guys, here we are struggling to make the way towards Bhrigu. As you can see, Amit Thakur crawling on the snow because it is at least 2 feet of snow and everybody is going down. So it is taking lots of effort to make the trail. But then in the end, it is all what it takes. A little bit of effort and a lot of mental strength to get up there, and from there we still have to go like 1.5 to 2 kilometers, so quite a long walk.
So we have reached the shoulder of the ledge. From here we need to climb there, then go that side and get back is Bhrigu. So it's quite far. Time is 4:46. Altitude is approximately 4100 meters. So it was a little tough. The snow is very soft. It's about more than knee deep, sometimes up to waist length. But chalo, koi nahi. We'll go till Bhrigu and come back. I think रात हो जाएगी शाम तक, but we'll continue. Sun is about to set and we need to go there. Maybe fog भी आने वाली है, तो let's see. जल्दी अभी time, it's what's the time? 5 p.m. and it's pretty nice out here. It will be night, I think, by the time we get back. Every step is about knee deep and it's around 5:40 p.m. So our pace has reduced drastically. This is how it's looking right now. Look at this point. Every step is, the snow is powdery snow. It's difficult at this time of year. हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं क्योंकि बर्फ़ जो है वो काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है और अभी 5:30 हो चुके हैं. आगे भी ऐसी लग रही है. वो वाला पॉइंट है जहाँ से बस ऊपर चढ़ते हैं. ब्रिगू उसके साथ है. नीचे दिखेंगे अगर आप लाइट जल चुकी है मनाली में. सो अब हमें 3-3.5 घंटे लगेंगे नीचे जाने में.
सो फिर से एक और ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट ट्रैक. सीनरी काफ़ी अच्छी है, आप देख सकते हैं. नीचे दूर सामने सुंदर पहाड़ और सुंदर मौसम.